In this quick video, I'll show you how to create a watermark in Capcut. Firstly, I'm gonna add here a video where I want to create a watermark. I'm gonna add random video from Capcut, and now at the top click on text, add here a text, choose the range of your text which will be your watermark. Now change your watermark's text, for example my name. And here on the right, scroll down a little and find the option opacity, which is under blend settings, and lower this option to make it less visible. Set it to 15% or lower if you want to make it less visible. Place your watermark where you want, and my watermark was created and it will look like this. If you want to add an image watermark, import here your image, add it to your project, choose the time range, and repeat the process. Go to blend and adjust opacity to lower. And this was how to create an image or text watermark in Capcut. I hope you found it helpful, guys. See you next time.